Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Phil and I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. So for today's video, we're going to be playing with this new Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. Now, I bought this a while ago. It's been sitting here waiting to get tested out. So it's not really that new, but it's new to my face. Okay, so let's take it out of the box, which it's being really difficult. Alright, so this is the component right here. This is a luminous, lightweight, and buildable hydrating formula. This is vegan and cruelty-free. So it says light to me. I don't know if that's mean like that's like the shade range of it, but also says warm right there. So I'm gonna say that this is a light to medium coverage foundation. So yeah, directions. Just open it up and just sponge away. So it does come with this little sponge thing. I'm going to be using my beauty blender because I already know that's not going to work. It's there just for aesthetic purposes only. To prime my face, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Blur Stick. Prep and Blur Stick. Now I'm going to go in with this. I'm just going to bounce in there and just go all over my T-zone. Now, yes, I don't really necessarily believe that color correctors work. I think that it's just a makeup phase, fads, whatever the word is, just to get you to buy more products and add another step to your routine so you spend more money. Now that we look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, let's just go right into the foundation, sponge it in and put it on. That's just pretty straightforward here. Alright. So let's start. Oh. Oh my god. I don't know if it's because of the color corrector, but I kind of feel like every time I stamp in, I'm like stamping in skin. If that makes sense. It's very luminous, I have to say. So right off the bat, if you have oily skin, I would say that this foundation probably is not for you. Okay, let's just finish the rest of the face and I'll be right back. So the reason why I got into this foundation is because I have tried this out and I am in love with this foundation. If you're on a budget, I would say go with this one. But we might have another one, I don't know. We'll see, we'll find out. Now for concealer today, should I stick on brand or should I go with another brand? Let's go with another brand. I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetic Concealer. This might have been a bad color combination. Oh no, it blends out just fine. Okay. Y'all saw how dark that was when I first put it on my face. So I maybe should have gone in with the tape shake. Yeah, I probably should have gone in with the tape shake, but that's okay. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild concealer and just dab a little on the face. Alright, today I'm gonna go with the Coty Airspun. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. brush to set the face. I'm going to take a little bit of Makeup Studio Fix Powder Foundation to kind of put some color back in the face. Because I kind of feel like I'm very, like, paled out. Alright, that brought some color back to the roots. Alright, so now we're going to do contouring. Alright, today I'm going to contour using this Lorac Pro Contour Kit. I like contour with this brush in a while, so I'm going to do it with this one. Let's do with the medium contour shade. I'm just going to chisel out this jaw. Give me the jawline I want without working out. Let's take this brush to just diffuse that. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the highlight shades of the palette and that just clean up underneath the contour. So I was watching in a PhiL video, and she was pretty much setting her face in between each like couple of steps. So let's try that out. Oh, by the way, we were done with contouring. And she just took her fan. Oh, I left my fan on this whole entire time, so hopefully it wasn't like blaring in the background. I feel like if you over contour your face and you set it, it kind of like cools it down. Cools it off, tells it to calm down. Alright, so we're gonna contour the nose. I like where this tutorial's going so far. You never know where a tutorial is going to go. You never know if it's going to go south or if it's going to go north, if it's going to go west, east, you never know. Okay, so now we're going to take this blush and bring some color back into the face. This is Candid Coral by E.l.f. We love a good E.l.f. product. I would have to say, for me, next to being able to afford like a high-end product that works like bomb.com would be a nice, like really like affordable product that works even better. So I like to take the blush sometimes and like rub it over my temples a little bit. A little old school trick back in the day. We take your blush, wham, like you see. So for highlight today, I think it's only fitting that we go in with a Wet n Wild highlighter. These were the two original ones that they put out, and they are amazing. I remember when they were limited edition, they sold out. Everyone was going crazy for them because these were only $4 or $5. So for today, we're going to go in with the shade Precious Petals. It's this nice light shade, and we're going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and brush all in there. And here we go. Oh. For $4, like this is insane. I go up the temple, side of the forehead. Oh, you know me, I go everywhere with it. So I haven't really tried any Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes. That's kind of like one of the few only of the products there that I haven't really necessarily tried. I tried the setting spray. It smells really bad and it's kind of a miss. Alright, so now we're going to do eyebrows. We're going to go into Kat Von D, Pro Longwear, Pomade. Alright, so I finished my eyebrows off camera. I used the Benefit Lash Mascara to extend my lashes. Now onto lips. Since I have a neutral look today, we should go in with a neutral color. Just kidding. Next for the lips, I'm going to go in with the shade Christmas Cookie and just put that all over my lips. Alrighty, lips are all done. Now let's just set the face. We're going to go in with our Urban Decay All Matter Setting Spray. This is a brand new one, so our fan. No, we're not gonna take the fan. We're gonna alright, and we're all set. So I laid around the house for a little bit. I played around with Salem, my cat, and I typed up the description for this video. And just to let this foundation settle for a little bit, let things like, because I didn't want to like film and then just go straight into whether if I like it or not. I have to say I do like this foundation a lot. Among these two foundations, I have to say that this one probably is my more favorite one. This one I kind of feel left leaves my skin a little bit too dry looking. But then again, today I did do a heavy skin routine of like moisturizing and all that stuff, so that could also be why that I like the way that this foundation turned out. The Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation, I love it and I would recommend it to my friends, especially if you're just getting into makeup or don't want to spend that much money. This is definitely a great product to purchase. And it's perfect for if you have a beauty blender or any beauty sponge. You just dab, dab, dab and put it all over your face and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, show it some love by clicking that like button down below. And share with all your friends and family. If you enjoyed me, then show me some love by hitting that subscribe button down below as well. I believe that I'm going to be changing up my uploading schedule, so be sure to click that bell notification to be alerted every time I upload. I used to upload on Wednesdays, and then I kind of fell off track. So I need to figure out a filming routine that works best for me. So right now I am going to goal myself to put out 1 video a week, but I don't have the exact day in particular. So be sure to click that bell notification to be alerted exactly when I upload. If you wish to follow me outside of YouTube, my social media is linked down below. You'll see my Twitter and Instagram. Those two will also be good spots to know when I am about to upload a video. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and have an awesome day.